at those eggs, man. So, it's Just Draw here, and today we're gonna be making some cool eggs, some epicness, and yeah, man, just gonna be living it up, bro. Alright, so basically, you just wanna like turn on your thing, and once the thing's turned on, just like lather with butter and stuff. A lot of people like a lot of butter. I kind of just like put a lot sometimes. And other times I like put butter and stuff. But it's really just all about like the butter you put. Like some people, they can put like other butter than other people and stuff. So like yeah. And then once your thing is like there and it's kind of melted and stuff, you should see it, because it should look like a pool, like if someone melted gold or whatever. And like you could add more butter and stuff if you want. But yeah, once you have like the butter and stuff, you want to get your egg, like one of them that you're gonna put inside there. Then you want to like come somewhere, pause. You want to like go over to a place where you can like break it, and then break it like that, and then do that, and then take your thing and put it over there, grab the other thing, and then do the same thing again. Oh frick, this hasn't happened before, and this really hasn't happened before, but I dropped one of the things inside of here, and as I dropped it, like as it was falling, it sliced open a yolk. That was literally insane, and I'm glad I caught that on cameraman. Because like I'm the camera man, because I'm the cameraman. Oh my god, that's cool. Alright, so then you wanna like, oh my god, one hand cameraman, like wash it off because you picked it out. But that probably didn't happen to you, because like that's like a really cool, like insane thing, like for that to happen to me, because I am pretty like magical and stuff, so it kind of just makes sense. And then you just like let it sit there for like a few minutes and stuff. And then like when it's done, we'll be back. And yeah, bro, I decided to make this one scrambled, so we're gonna have not only epic eggs but super epic eggs now, because this one's gonna be like scrambled and stuff, and the other one's gonna be able to like be an egg and like take on the egg form, you know, like how white people make them. Yeah, bro, this is gonna be freaking fantastic and stuff. And yeah, what I'm actually thinking of doing is putting the scrambled bits inside of that. That would be pretty cool, just like busting it open, being like, oh my god, it's open, woo! But then actually taking the scrambled bits and putting it inside. Oh my god, it's working. Hold up. Gross. We're making super epic eggs right now. We just gotta slice it open. It's like surgery, man. And then you just, yeah, push it inside. Oh my god, we just made super epic eggs. Well, we didn't make them yet, but they're like cooking and stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna be back. Yeah man, like eggy yolk power. So as you can see, when you're done, the super epic egg should come out looking like this, you know. Pretty scrumptious looking, if I could say so myself. If you shake the thingy just a little bit like jiggly and stuff, and we don't really want the jiggle, because then it's pretty easy to explode. So we're just gonna like leave it there a little longer. But like you don't have to do that. Like if you like to jiggle, then you could keep it. But I want it to be a little bit. What the? Hey, stop that. There we go. I want it to be a little bit more solid, man. And like these are good, I guess. They're kind of sticking to each other. But yeah, bro. You don't really like have to do much. You could just like go somewhere and like watch a movie. Like I just came back from 48-hour nap. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say hour. Fucking idiot. JK, don't call yourself an idiot, by the way. Oh my god. I lost the freaking thing to my fork inside my super epic eggs. Okay. Don't call yourself an idiot, I just want to say that. If anything like bad happens, just be like, oh, dang, I had a blonde incident. Or call yourself a blonde. That type of negativity isn't cool, so call yourself an idiot. But, anyways, it's been Justra, and I just taught you how to make super epic eggs. And I didn't mean to say 48 hours, my bad. That's, if you left your eggs on for 48 hours, they would like melt and stuff with the pan, and then there would be a fire. So I just keep my eggs on 48 minutes, and then I take a nap, and then I come back after 48 minutes, and they look this amazing. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.